It is finally here. I am proud to introduce the 2026 Honda CB750. Just look at the classic styling on this yellow model.
The engine roars before you ever turn the key. The name alone, Honda CB750, carries a weight that echoes through motorcycle history. But this isn't the CB750 that redefined motorcycling in 1969. This is the 2026 Rebirth leaner. Sharper, more advanced, more aggressive, and engineered with one mission: to bring back the soul of the UJM legend while pushing it into a future nobody expected. And as you look at it, you already know Honda didn't just update a classic. They resurrected a legacy and turned it into a modern weapon. Asterisk, from the moment you stand beside it, the 2026 CB750 gives you that sense of mechanical honesty that's so rare today. A motorcycle that looks like a motorcycle, raw, exposed, muscular. No unnecessary plastics. No overly complicated lines. Just a timeless silhouette sharpened with modern precision. The tank is sculpted with deep channels that lock your knees in. The stance is upright, confident, ready to sprint or cruise at your command. It feels familiar and new at the same time, like meeting an old friend who has spent the last decade becoming unstoppable. Asterisk, but the real story begins beneath that tank. Honda has tuned a brand new 755cc parallel twin engine that feels alive the moment it starts breathing. It produces torque with a kind of immediacy you feel in your chest. Down low, it pulls like a much bigger machine. Mid-range, it surges forward without hesitation. And at the top, it still has enough to make you laugh inside your helmet. It's not just numbers, it's the character of the power. The way Honda has shaped it to feel punchy, smooth, and predictable in all the right ways. You twist the throttle, and it responds like it's reading your intentions. Asterisk, the sound has its own story. Deep, metallic, mechanical. Not filtered or digital, just a pure twin rumble. Tuned to recreate the spirit of the original four-cylinder legend, but in its own modern voice. Honda knew riders wanted emotion, and they delivered. Asterisk, but power means nothing without control. And the 2026 CB750 is built on a chassis that feels telepathic. The new lightweight steel diamond frame gives the bike incredible balance, flickable without being twitchy, stable without feeling heavy. Whether you're carving through tight switchbacks, slicing through traffic, or cruising on long open roads, the CB750 feels planted, precise, connected. The front end bites with confidence thanks to Showa 41mm SFBP forks, while the rear suspension responds to every ripple in the road without losing composure. The brakes, dual 320mm discs up front with radially mounted calipers, offer stopping power that feels almost too good for the class. Controlled by a refined ABS system that steps in only when you truly need it. Asterisk, and then there's the technology: smart, modern, but never intrusive. The 5-inch full-color TFT display is clean, bright, and easy to read, even under brutal sunlight. Honda has given the CB750 riding modes that actually change the personality of the bike rein for safety. Standard for daily precision, sport for that addictive, aggressive edge. Traction control is smooth, predictable, and fully adjustable. The throttle response shifts depending on your mode, giving you either refined smoothness or razor-sharp urgency. Everything is built around enhancing the ride, not replacing it. Asterisk, one of the most brilliant changes Honda made is the ergonomics. Upright enough for long-distance comfort. Aggressive enough for spirited riding. Wide bars give you leverage. The seat is supportive but not bulky. Wind resistance feels manageable thanks to subtle shaping. This is the kind of motorcycle you could ride everyday commuting, touring, weekend blasting without feeling like you've sacrificed anything. Honda designed it to be versatile because that's what the original CB750 always represented. A do-everything machine for riders who want freedom without compromise. Asterisk, but perhaps the most exciting part is the character. Many modern motorcycles are fast, refined, and efficient, but they lack soul. The 2026 CB750 brings that soul back. It feels alive beneath you. It invites you to push harder, lean further, accelerate sooner. It tempts you to explore roads you've never taken. It gives you that old-school mechanical thrill, but with modern smoothness and reliability. It's the rare machine that appeals to seasoned riders who remember the legends and new riders who want a bike that makes them fall in love with riding. Asterisk, Honda didn't create this motorcycle to win spec sheet battles. They created it to win hearts. To show the world that simple doesn't mean boring. That classic doesn't mean outdated. That emotion still matters in a world full of computers and rider aids and automated perfection. This bike is a reminder that riding is supposed to feel raw, human, thrilling. Asterisk, and when you hit that first corner, the magic reveals itself. The chassis rotates around you with precision. The engine pulls you through with perfect torque. The exhaust sings its low twin-note song. You're connected, physically, mechanically, emotionally. The CB750 becomes an extension of your decisions, your instincts, your confidence. It's the kind of bike that makes every ride meaningful. Asterisk, on the highway, the twin hums smoothly at speed, delivering effortless passing power. In the city, the low-end punch makes every gap your opportunity. In the hills, the balanced chassis turns the ride into a dance. And everywhere, people glance at it because the CB750 is unmistakably a Honda. Unmistakably a classic. Unmistakably a machine with presence. Asterisk. Even the fuel efficiency is impressive. Honda tuned the engine to deliver strong performance without drinking fuel like a monster. Long rides become easy, predictable, economical. Maintenance is simple. Reliability is, as always, pure Honda. And the overall experience is one that grows deeper the more you ride it. Asterisk. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a bridge between the past and the future, between nostalgia and innovation. Between every rider who dreamed of owning a bike that feels both timeless and cutting edge. Asterisk. The 2026 Honda CB750 is for those who crave connection. For those who want a motorcycle that stirs emotion every time they walk into the garage. For those who want something honest, mechanical, exciting. For those who believe riding isn't about specs, it's about soul. Asterisk, and when you park it, shut it off and walk away, you always look back. You always will. Because the 2026 CB750 is more than a machine. It's a legacy reborn.